Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I have had a few people that sent me either a comment and the videos, or I got a couple of emails about a massive data breach of Google Gmail, which is not true. If you've came across, because it's been a big story, and this was a big story about a month and a half, 2 months ago. I talked about it, and it's kind of come back in another wave of stories from shady news websites that don't research their stories. So, of course, you might have seen, 183 million accounts compromised. Gmail is a massive data breach. No, it ain't true. Google has again today said, nope, not the case. And why is this coming back and why is this taken in that way? It's because a lot of Gmail accounts have been compromised, but from 183 million credentials found in a big file that has been lingering over the internet and the dark web for the past years. This list is like 5, 6, if not 7 years old. And it's the same file again and again that comes back in the news. And it's simply that, there's a lot of people that have bad habits, that their credentials been stolen on other accounts, and they use the same username and password on Gmail, and then bad guys got access to their Gmail. But it is really not a data breach. It's really other websites got breached. That info just showed up in the big file of millions of Gmail address and so on, and millions of accounts. And because a lot of people use the same username and password on other accounts, including Gmail, well, they were compromised because of that. So nope, no problem there. You don't have to go and change your password. You just have to have good practices. Don't use the same username and password everywhere. This is one of the big first rules of security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.